It's 6 a.m. and we're wakening up in Animal Kingdom. I don't know if you can hear the noises of all these animals waking up. I'll just be quiet and see if you can hear anything. Don't know what the hell that is. Never heard that before, ever. Mum, can you hear the animals waking up?